Hi everyone. This is Vic from Visceral Solutions. Visceral Solutions is an expert consulting firm that helps organizations build AI agents using low-code, no-code tools. Uh, and this series of videos that we are recording is going to be about leveraging AnyQuest's AI solution to develop agents. That being said, before we get into leveraging AnyQuest and demos of AnyQuest, I'd like to just take a step back and talk about what an agent is, what the characteristics of an agent is, because there is a lot of buzz about agents in the marketplace currently. Uh, the holy grail vision of an agent is that humans provide this digital worker, which is the agent, a goal. And then the agent is able to take that goal, figure out what actions it needs to then conduct to meet that goal. It interacts with the environments so that it can adjust on the fly. It goes, collects whatever data and information that it wants to meet that goal, processes that data, and then executes a list of tasks to deliver to that goal. And as it is doing this, it's iterating to figure out where it needs to reorient. While this is the kind of holy grail vision, it's useful to think about where the technology is today, because that vision assumes this kind of level of full autonomy where you just give it a goal, it's then able to do everything and give you the results that you want. The technology is not there today. So I find it useful to borrow something from the car industry and talk about levels of autonomy. Level zero being no autonomy. Level one is more like ChatGPT, where you are telling it exactly what to do. It's you're having this back and forth with ChatGPT to go meet your task. Level two is where tools like AnyQuest come in. These are tools that let you define and organize multi-step tasks, but the human is kind of orchestrating those tasks, and then the AI has some level of autonomy within each task to go do what needs to be done. And then over time, you get to higher autonomy where the AI is able to now deliver the task with minimal input. And then finally, you have full autonomy where it handles all aspects of a task. AnyQuest, as I mentioned, is a low-code, no-code tool that allows you to go and build these agents using a drag and drop interface to go do a task. There are a series of activities on the left, and then you basically organize these activities, connect them, build out the workflow. The activities can do everything from call the LLMs, it can summarize activities, it can read documents from a repository, it can do retrieval augmented generation, it can select items from a CSV to give you more deterministic outputs. It can call tools like web search and web scrape to go do specific things. And so you can build very, very sophisticated agents and digital workers by just dragging and dropping and connecting things together. So going forward in a series of videos, we will be going through every little step of what's involved in building an agent in AnyQuest, what each of these little uh, icons mean, what each of these activities mean, how you use those activities, what are the different types of use cases that we can do. So the initial set of tutorials will be very hands-on how to use the product. And then over time, we'll start adding examples of agents that can be built, bringing all of these elements together. Thank you and hope you can subscribe to the channel to get more information.